In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneDrive to Teams 2026 step by step. If you want your OneDrive files to show up right inside Microsoft Teams, the good news is that it's already built in. There's no connector to install, no permissions to wire up, and no extra setup at all. We're simply going to use the Files area in Teams to view your OneDrive, so you can work with your documents without leaving the app. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser. Once Teams is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Files. Think of Files as your document hub in Teams. It brings together the places where your content lives, and for most people, that includes OneDrive. When you're in the Files view, select OneDrive. As soon as you do, your OneDrive folders and files will load automatically. You're looking at the same content you would see on the OneDrive website or the OneDrive app, just embedded inside Teams. This integration doesn't copy or move your files. It simply provides a direct window to your existing OneDrive. Any change you make here, like opening a document, organizing folders, or sharing a link, is reflected everywhere you use OneDrive. It's all the same storage tied to the account you're signed in with in Teams. A few helpful notes as you work. Your OneDrive here is personal to your account, so it's separate from shared channel libraries or team document libraries. That means you can safely browse your private files and then choose what to share with colleagues when you're ready. Teams Search also looks through your OneDrive content, so when you use the search bar at the top of Teams, you'll often find your files quickly without drilling into folders. If OneDrive doesn't appear in files, make sure you're signed in with the correct work or school account and confirm that your organization allows OneDrive in Teams. Sometimes administrators turn off certain services, and that will hide the OneDrive option. Also, if you don't see files in the sidebar, you may be using a customized layout or an outdated client. Updating the app or checking the navigation settings usually brings it back. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Teams, go to Files, and select OneDrive. From there, you can stay in Teams to access the documents you use every day, with everything staying in sync across OneDrive, Teams, and the rest of Microsoft 365. Simple, fast, and already integrated.